Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to quickly find your USDT wallet address on BitGet. Super easy, and it'll only take a minute. Let's dive right in. First, log into your BitGet account using your email and password. Once you're in, head over to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on Assets. This is where you can see all your account balances and wallets. Next, tap on Add Funds and choose Deposit Crypto. In the search bar, type USDT and tap it when you see it. Now here's the most important step, choosing the right network. You'll see a few options, but here's a pro tip. Pick the TRC20 network. It's faster and has lower fees than most of the other options, which makes it perfect for USDT transfers. After selecting TRC20, your USDT wallet address will appear on the screen. Go ahead and copy it. You can now share it with someone or use it to transfer USDT into your BitGet account. And there you go. You've just learned how to find your USDT wallet address on BitGet and how to use the TRC20 network for faster, cheaper transfers. If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more simple crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.